Hi, I am Sheikh Mahbub Basha. Welcome to my channel. Happy Learning. Namaste, my dear teachers. Your smartphone is your weapon. You can do many things using only your smartphone. Today we'll learn how to make a video using your mobile phone with two apps. Number one is WPS Office, which we are using for a PowerPoint presentation, and another app is a screen recorder to record our voiceover and explanation along with our face in Vision. Okay, first open the WPS Office app, select the plus sign, that is a new file, select a PPT presentation, go for a empty file, new file. You get a default slide like this. Select the two text boxes that is already available on the slide and delete, make it an empty slide. Now click on the picture. You will go to photos, select the required photo that is you have already prepared for your lesson. Now by drag drop you can place the picture on the slide at the right position. Now click on the plus sign on the slides. You'll get different types of slides. I'm selecting a plain one. Then go to picture, then select a next picture for your lesson. So I have selected the next one, and again a new slide, an empty one, and going to picture. So go to from photos. I'm selecting one photo. So like that, total 4 slides I am selecting. For each slide, one photo that I have already designed. Here it is objective type questions. It may be a Telugu lesson, it may be English lesson. Based on your needs, you prepare some images and paste one image per one slide, as explained here. Now the question numbers are 5, 6, 7, 8. By drag drop I am trying to make them in serial number. The slides are rearranged according to the serial number of the questions. Click on save, selecting my documents, give a file name. By long tap I am selecting the default name and giving some other name. Worksheet 3, key explain, something like that. So some name I am giving. I will say save. So this is saved. Now I can go to play mode. Here is a play button. At the bottom I will click on that play. I will get this type of interface. Now if you take a smooth tap on the screen, you will get a pop-up like this. So at the top you have got a highlighter pen. For now I am selecting pen to write something on that. On the other hand, I am selecting the screen recorder, so I will get this type of interface. I will click on the video symbol and then I will get a start symbol. I will simply say start now. So you will get this type of interface here for each slide. So by clicking on the left side, I can go to the previous slide. By clicking on the right hand side on the screen, I can go to the next slide. So I will start from the first slide and I am visible in a window. I can make this window circular or 4:3 rectangle or 16:9 rectangle, that is given in the settings of the screen recorder. So here 3 things are going on parallelly. One side I am visible to the students and I am interacting directly to the students. Then my voiceover is added, my explanation is added. And on the other side, third thing is I am able to highlight the points. I can put a cross mark, I can put a tick mark, I can underline some text. So based on the need, according to my explanation, I start these actions. So from slide 1 to slide 2, slide 3 and so on till I reach the last slide, till I complete my explanation, I will add my voiceover and my actions on these slides. So how I can add this underlines and all. So my finger is my pen, so I will simply draw with my finger. So don't go for fine writing. It is not possible for your finger with your finger. So select some few actions like cross mark, tick mark, underlining, or highlighting by circle, like that. Such actions you can select. So because the phone screen is a very small one, you have to restrict yourself. The final result is vector among distance, speed, velocity and time. Distance is a scalar, speed is a scalar, velocity is a vector, time is also a scalar. So we want vector, so our answer is this third option, velocity. So next question. Constant acceleration means constant change in velocity. It should be constant change in velocity. Constant speed means there is no change in velocity, no question of acceleration. Constant direction means no change of velocity, then there is no question of acceleration. Constant change in speed, then the direction is unspecified here. Okay, so our answer is this fourth option. Next question. Uniform velocity means so velocity means speed plus direction. So uniform means speed should be uniform and direction should be uniform. So uniform velocity means uniform speed, partially correct. Uniform direction, partially correct. Uniform speed or direction, this is wrong. Both uniform speed and uniform direction we want. So our answer is this one. Then next question. The freely falling body has uniform speed, wrong answer. Uniform velocity, wrong answer. As it falls down, speed increases means velocity also increases. So uniform speed is wrong, uniform velocity is wrong. Uniform acceleration, correct. So it can be none, it cannot be none. So our answer is uniform acceleration. Right? Okay. Hope you all enjoy this. So just by using two apps on your mobile, just by using only your mobile, you can make educational videos. So this is a simple 5-10 minutes explanation. So in practice you have to struggle a lot at the beginning. Later it becomes handy, so you can do many educational videos and serve the students and the nation. Thank you very much.